Hi, today we are going to see how to create the index in Oracle. First, what is the purpose of index? Indexes are used to retrieve the data from the database more quickly than other ways. It is like index that is available at the end of the book. If you see any book, the index will be available at the end of the book. That means the last page of the book. So that you can go to the index and you can easily find the which page you want to read. Likewise, here if you are having the index, it will be very easy for you to retrieve the record very quickly. But users cannot see the indexes. Main purpose is to speed up the searches and queries. Before creating the index, you need to know whether the index exists for the table, whether the index is created for the table. For that, you need to use this query select star from user objects. In user objects there are several columns, but I am using only the selective columns. That means one or two columns only I am selecting, that is important one. One is object name, other one is object type. Here the object name is nothing but table. Object type is table or index it will show. Here the object name is nothing but name of that particular object. Object type is whether it is table or index, view, synonym, whatever the thing it will display. Here we have not created any index or synonym or view. This is a brand new schema. So just I have created one or two sample tables. Hereafter only we are going to create the index. So we have found out that so far index has not been created. What I am going to do is I am going to create the index. Okay. There is one more table is available, that is user index. We can check that also. Okay. User indexes. It automatically is coming actually. In indexes there is no index available, so that so far the index has not been created. We have to use this syntax: create index name on table name and then column name. Okay, we are going to create index on this table EMP. The index name is IDX underscore EMP number. On EMP number column we are going to create it. I am just executing this create index. Now the index has got created. We need to check again whether it has got created or not. If we check this table, we can, here it has got created IDX EMP number. The object type is index. We have queried the user objects table. In this user object table it is available. We can also query the user index. In user index it will be available now. Yeah, before that it is not available. Now that index name has got created. For which table name? EMP table name. Table type is that is table, and index type is normal. If it is unique index, it will be mentioned here like it is unique. Here it is a normal index. What is the difference between the normal index and the unique index is, the normal index you can create on the table which contains the duplicate values. Okay, the table contains duplicate values, you can create the index, but unique index you can create on the table only if it does not contain the duplicate values. Okay, duplicate values are not allowed in the table. Okay, so create unique index name on the table name. That is extra one word unique, you need to add it. So far we have seen how to create the index and how to select that system table, that is the user index and user objects, and so that we have confirmed ourselves that the index has got created. Now we are going to see how to drop the index. Dropping the index is very simple. Just drop index name. Here we are going to use drop index name. Now the index has got dropped. Now if you check the that select user indexes, the index won't be available. Okay. Now the index is not available. This is the way we have to create the index and drop the index. Other thing we will see in the next video.